Hello students, today we will learn about subtraction of integers. For that we need to learn some rules of subtraction of integers. Let's see which are the rules for subtracting integers. So the first rule is that positive number minus positive number. It means that when one positive number is getting subtracted from another positive number, then there will be a pure subtraction between these two numbers, but answer will get a sign of greater number. Let's see the example. So you can see here, the example says that subtract 6 from 8. Here 6 is positive number and 8 is also positive number. So when we subtract 6 from 8, it means whichever positive number is getting subtracted from another positive number will turn into negative number. So we can see here 8 is a positive number and 6 will become negative number because 6 is getting subtracted from 8. So answer will be 2, as 8 is a bigger number and 6 is smaller number. So whichever number is bigger, the sign of that number will be given to the answer. Now let's see second example. Subtract 9 from 7. Here 9 is also positive number and 7 is also positive number. So here 9 is getting subtracted from 7. So 9 will turn into negative number. So you can see here 7 is a positive number, as 9 is getting subtracted from 7. So 9 will turn into negative number. So 7 minus 9 is equal to 2, or 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. But as 9 is bigger number and it is negative number because it has turned negative from positive number, so that negative sign will be given to the answer. So answer will be negative 2. Let's see the second rule. Positive number minus negative number. It means that when negative number is getting subtracted from positive number, then this negative number, because the first number is already positive number, another number is negative number. This negative number will turn to be a positive number and there will be addition between two positive number, then answer will also be a positive number. Let's learn this with the example. So you can see here that subtract negative 3 from 5. Here 5 is a positive number and 3 is a negative number. We need to subtract negative 3 from 5. So you can see here 5 minus minus 3. So there are two negative signs, minus and negative 3. So these two signs will turn to the positive sign, that is plus. So 5 will be written as it is and this two negative sign will turn to be a positive sign. So 5 plus 3, as both are positive numbers and there is addition between them, so that these two numbers will be added. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Let's see one another example. Subtract negative 9 from 8. 8 is positive number, 9 is negative number, and there will be subtraction between them, but negative 9 will be subtracted from 8. So you can see here 8 minus negative 9. So here a negative sign is there and here also there is a negative sign. So these two negative signs will turn to be a positive sign, that is plus. So 8 plus 9. 8 is positive number. Now 9 is also positive number. So 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Let's see the third rule. Negative number minus positive number. It means that positive number is getting subtracted from negative number. So here this positive number, when it is getting subtracted from negative number, will be turned into a negative number. So positive number will be turned into a negative number. Now both the numbers are negative. So both the numbers are negative, then there will be addition between them, and whichever answer we will get, that number also will be a negative number. Let's see the example. subtract 3 from negative 8. Here 3 is a positive number and negative 8, that 8 is a negative number. So here we are going to subtract 3 from negative 8. So we'll write like this, negative 8 minus 3. So now this minus 3 will also be a negative number. So 3 is also a negative number. So here negative 8, negative 3. As both the numbers are negative, there will be addition between them. 8 plus 3, 11. But as both the numbers are negative, answer will also be a negative. So answer will be negative 11. Let's see the fourth rule. Negative number minus negative number. So here there are two negative numbers and there is a subtraction sign between them. It means that one negative number is getting subtracted from another negative number. So after this sign of the subtraction, there is a negative number. So we'll not look at this first negative number, but we have to focus on this subtraction sign and this another, the second negative number. So after this sign of subtraction, which is minus sign, there is one another sign of this negative number, which is also a minus sign. So there are two minus signs. So when we will get two minus sign, then this negative number will be turned into a positive number and this minus sign will be turned into a positive sign. So we will get one negative number. The first number, a negative number, is as it is, and now this minus sign will become the plus sign and this negative number will be turned into a positive number. So one negative number and one positive number. So one negative number, one positive number. So there will be subtraction between them. And whichever answer we will get, that answer will have the sign of the bigger number. Let's see one example. So here we have to subtract negative 5 from negative 3. As you can see that both the numbers are negative. 5 is also negative and 3 is also negative. We need to do the subtraction between them. But as we know that here we are going to subtract negative 5 from negative 3. So we'll write like this, negative 3 minus negative 5. So we will not look at this first number. We will write that number as it is. So you can see here there is a sign of subtraction, that is minus sign, and here the sign of this number, which is negative sign, which is minus sign. So we'll get these two minus sign. So this minus sign will be turned into a positive sign and this negative 5 will be turned into a positive 5. So we can write like this. So negative 3 and this minus sign will become plus, and here minus 5, negative 5 will be turned into a positive 5. So one number is negative and one number is positive. So there will be subtraction between them. So 5 minus 3, answer is 2. As here we know that 5 is bigger than 3 and 5 is positive, then answer is also positive. So 2 is positive answer. Now few things are there which we need to remember. So yes, we are going with things to remember. First of all, when we are doing addition or subtraction of integers, if two numbers are given and both the numbers are having the similar sign, it means that if both the numbers are positive or both the numbers are negative, then there will be addition between these two numbers. If two negative numbers are there, then also there will be addition between them. If two positive numbers are there, then also there will be addition between them. But just remember, whichever answer you will get, the answer will have the sign of the bigger number. But here we need to see that if both the numbers are negative, then whether it is a smaller number or whether it is a bigger number, both will be negative only. Then answer will also be negative. If both the numbers are positive, then answer will also be a positive number. Now, another thing that we need to remember, if the numbers are having different sign, if two numbers are given and both the numbers are having different sign, If one positive number is there and one negative, or one negative or one positive, then there will be subtraction between them. If both the numbers have different signs, means if one number is positive and one number is negative, then there will be subtraction between them. And answer will get the sign of bigger number. If one number is negative and one number is positive, then if negative number is bigger by ignoring its sign, then answer will be negative number. If positive number is bigger, then answer will be positive number. I hope you understood how to do addition and subtraction of integers. Thank you.